The first China Film Festival opens in the Croatian capital Zagreb on Wednesday evening, bringing some of the most popular Chinese modern film productions to Croatian film goers for the first time. The event is co-organized by the European Times Cultural Media Group and the Confucius Institute at the University of Zagreb.
Confucius Institute at the University of Zagreb is happy that by celebrating its 10 years in Croatia and also celebrating 30 years of the diplomatic relations between Croatia and China, we can also start the first China Film Festival in Croatia.
We hope that by showing these Chinese films, we can further promote cultural exchanges between China and Croatia, promote mutual exchanges between the film and the television industries of China and Croatia.
By watching Chinese movies, you will find that our culture have a lot in common. We are the same people. We both cherish the common values of peace, development, fairness, justice, democracy, and freedom for all of the people. It is believed that the success of Chinese Film Festival will open a window for the Croatian people to understand China.
This film festival will last until February 2023, during which 8 Chinese films will be screened for free.